Yeah, let's do another one real quick. I got great value pepperoni pizza. Microwaveable. Yeah. That landed directly on the other box. That was pretty impressive. Anyways, okay, this one's stuck. Oh, I didn't even show the other one. Oh, shit. Hold on. I ripped that one off, so that's the pizza. I'll tell you, from that first bite, I literally got no flavor in it. This one visually is also pretty, like, greasy looking, so it's okay. The bites with more pepperoni are better, but this one has a lot of pepperoni. Let me get this bite real quick. Six 6.27. Yeah, random number, I know, but that's a review.